Up, my good people, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Around ICO. But please let me let you know, anything I say in this video review is strictly of my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence, make your own decision. Let's go down to business, ladies and gentlemen. It says world first decentralized advertising solution in augmented reality. So Around.com help different institutions, pharmaceutical companies. Just think of any firm, they help them in advertising in the blockchain. It's just awesome. Let me just play a video and just see what it looks like. Now, this video shows one of the most popular pharmaceutical store in Russia, the leading one, 366, and let's see what Iran is going to do. So please watch. Social news. So you see what it's all about. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now let's scroll down the website. I love the website. Now the pre-sale has ended and the main token sale will happen on the 15th of September. 15th of September, and this is 2 days time, 1 hour and 19 minutes. So by September 15, 2018, you can start getting involved with it. So you can find them in ICO track, ICO bench, and all different ICO reviews. So let's check, for instance, ICO bench 4.6. The pre-ICO has ended. The ICO start in 2 days. Said ARR is token symbol that is 3.5 cents. It's based on the Ethereum blockchain. They accept Ethereum, BTC, that's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Dash. So the soft cap, that is the money they hope to raise in this ICO, is 5 million US dollars, and the main money they are targeting tonight, the hard cap, is 30 million US dollars. The ICO is based in the country, beautiful country of Belize. You don't need to get whitelisted, and the good news is, no matter where you come from, whether from the moon, from the sea, from anywhere, as long as you have internet, you have your money, you can invest in this ICO. So don't matter if you're from US, you're from North Korea, from South Korea, wherever you come from, you can get involved with this ICO. So let's scroll down, and you can see Around has a strategic partnership with 36.6 Russia's largest pharmacy network to revolutionize the point of sale experience. So, and that is what you watch in the video. These are reason to buy the token. Establish partnership with global brands already. Token plays a vital role in fueling business model. AR market growing at breakneck speed. MVP available on iOS and Android. Innovative and comprehensive product. Experienced team with excellent track record. So you can get on Google Play, the app on Google Play, and for Apple, app is coming soon. It's coming soon. So they are partnered with Unilever Tresem, Scania, White Turkey, the popular pharmacy store, and all the rest they are partnering with currently. So September 15 will be the token sale. It ends November 15. So the token sale is running for 2 months. So in 2 months' time, by November 15, it will be over. It will be over. It will be over. This is the roadmap. This is the roadmap. This is the roadmap. Distribution of the after the ICO, you can see token sale from community support, bonus, and bounty. You can see this advisor, Vladimir Nikitin, is one known advisor, and you can see other advisors they have here. The team: Neil Bryant, Arkady Yashny, Dmitry Olekhov, Artem Aritonov, and all the rest. So now let's see this guy, the CEO. Is he real? Yep. So let's watch the video. This is him.
We're having a great day. It's the end of another busy session at Arround. My name's Neil, of course, and it goes without saying that I want to give a big shout out to all of our wonderful contributors and supporters, and thanks for all the questions that you've sent me.
So the video I've played shows you that this ICO is real. The team members are real. They're having a roadshow. You can see the roadshow they'll be having in Taiwan. It has been done in Taiwan. They've had it in Puerto Rico. They've had it for Puerto Rico. They've had it in Japan this year. They have in February in South Korea already. So you can find them on the press, what the different websites, news websites is saying about them. These are the questions you may have. What is it used for? When is it token? What is the hard cap and all the rest? Minimum, maximum purchase and all the rest. Let's go to their Twitter. They have almost 5,000 followers, 4,063. You can find more information, the news on their Twitter, Telegram. They have 2,452. Hopefully, by the time they get set to the ICO, more people will join in. This is the white paper, 57-page white paper. White paper is unique, it's not copy and paste. I've confirmed that. And they have 3 billion total supply of the token. 3 billion total supply. 3 billion. So let's check the Alexa ranking to the website. This Indian, most from Indian, from Russia, of course, or from Ukraine, of course. And this is 2017 registered, 2018 is going to expire. Information about the website. So what is my thought about Arround ICO? I believe this ICO is real, it's genuine, it's not a scam ICO. They have something unique, something real to work with. And for one thing I'm really impressed with, they are already working with firms, they are shaking hands with different institutions. So the ICO should be a good one. It should be a good one. But don't forget, anything I've said in this ICO is strictly my personal opinion. It is not for you to follow. This review is my personal opinion. So read the white paper, make your own decision. I'm going to leave the link of this ICO down below. Sign up and register for this ICO. I love you guys. I love you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.